calling that.
Okay. Can you see me? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do outfit of the day. This is from Christmas. This is from a bowling ring. This is from Christmas. This shirt's from Georgia. My bell bottoms are from Walmart. My boots are from Christmas.
Okay, mine's cheer, justice, and then
Boots are from TJ Maxx.
Maxx.
So today we're gonna be doing our chickens. They're white. Like, look at them. I thought I just put. Oh no! And then we're feeding them right now. Look how crazy they get. No, stop! I already fed them like twice, Eva. I'm gonna get.
How to attach
Yes. Yeah.
you want to go attach them
No. Mama said to leave them alone.
right now.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna be watering my chicken right now.
I'll show you around the barn.
This is horsehair. This is horsehair.
Okay. You cut it off of your horse, because we have our horse, and then it's just there. That's all it is. You cut it off of our beautiful horse's mane. But, oh wow, it's sunny. She's right. Can you see it? Yeah, she's right there. And there are sheep over there. But yeah, it's fun around here. But I guess I'll show you around the barn. Ty, where do you want me to put the hair? Put it in your pocket. Hey, dude! Stop! Okay. Let's show you around the barn. So right now, if y'all is sitting on that swing,
What did you do?
I put the horsehair in your pocket.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Look, this is what you're supposed to do. Look. Just place it down right here.
I'm gonna show them more in the barn.
Well, I'm gonna put this horsehair right there. I'm gonna keep it.
Hey, you gotta give me some.
Let me show them now since I'm tall.
No, I can do it. Because I can stand on those. But,
So we have our sheep.
and we have, so a sheep, a sheep right there. And then our baby goat. And then our
Let me do it,
big,
Mama.
and then big jealous mama.
It's right here.
Yeah.
Then the baby pig's right there. And then we have our sheep.
I said the sheep.
Well, huh?